Coming to the third exercise, first question, what the question is given: find the area of triangle whose vertices are given as 1 0 6 0 4 comma 3. So we're already known the formula. Area of the triangle half into x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1. So x1 y1 is going to be 1 comma 0, x2 y2 will be 6 comma 0, x3 y3 will be 4 comma 3. Substituting in this formula, so finding the determinant along C2. So along C2 we're already having two zeros, then these two values will become 0, these two values will become 0, and we can find out the value at the third element. So it is minus plus minus, so minus 3 into, and the remaining sub matrix is going to be 1 1 6 1. So finding of the determinant of 1 1 6 1 is going to be minus 3 into 1 is 1 minus 6 into 1 is minus 6. So minus 3 into minus 5 will become plus 15. And same, the question, second question is given, so you can find out the area of the triangle whose vertices are given 2 comma 7 1 comma 1 and 10 comma 8. So find out and tell me the answer for this. So answer is already given here, 47 is given, process is required to find out. And the third question is also minus 2 comma minus 3 3 comma 2 and minus 1 comma minus 8. So answer is already given, minus 30. So those are very easy questions. Try out the questions and find out the solution. And look at the question number 4. Show that a comma b plus c, b point b comma c plus a, c point c comma a plus b are collinear. So what is meant by collinear here? Collinear is simple, is nothing but taking the determinant value is going to be equals to, if it is going to be equals to 0, then those points are going to be collinear. So consider these points are going to be x1 y1, b points are going to be x2 y2, c points are going to be x3 y3, and find out whether those area is coming as 0 or not. If the area is coming as 0, then the points are going to be collinear. So this question is also going to be homework, and try and get the solution for it. Next question in the same exercise. Next question is, find the value of k if the area of the triangle is 4 square units and the vertices are 4 comma 0 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 2. In this question, area of the triangle is already given. Area of the triangle is 4 square units. Now at this time area is given, at this time it can be taken as plus or minus for finding the value of k. Now simply half into x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1 is equals to plus or minus 4. Now coming to the next, then how the calculation is going to be: send this 2 to right hand side, it will become plus or minus 8. Now x1 y1 is going to be k comma 0 k 0 1, x2 y2 is 4 0 and next 1, and 0 comma 2 are the x3 y3, and 1 is equals to plus or minus 8. In this two values you can expect, one is for plus and one is for the minus. Finding of the determinant, so it's simply along row 1 k into 0 minus 2, so it is nothing but minus 2. It is minus 0 here, minus 0, and it is 0 into something is going to be 0, and plus 1 into 4 into 2 8 minus 0, so 8 minus 0 is going to be 0. So 8 minus 0 is 8, 8 into 1 is 8, and this value will become 0. Minus 2k, it is nothing but minus 2k, minus 2k plus 8 is equals to minus 8. So then the value of first value is going to be k is equals to 8 when determinant value is taken as minus 8. In the second time, minus 2k plus 8 is equals to 8. This time we are taking plus, then k value is coming it as k is equals to 0 and k is equals to 8. So these two different values are coming for taking the area of the triangle as plus or minus 4. Now coming to the next question. Find the value of k. Find the value of k if the area is given as 4 square units, vertices as minus 2 comma 0, 0 comma 4 and 0 comma k. So same question, whatever it is given in the above, the same values, same x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Unknown is going to be k here, and already area is given as 4 square units. Then same area should be taken as plus or minus, then you will get the values as 0 and 8. Already answer is given, you need to find out with the solution. So it is also given as homework, and complete the answer. And coming to the next, this question is we are already seen, and once again we'll see the question, how what is the question which is given here. Find the line joining 1 comma 2 and 3 comma 6 using determinants. So it is simply is asking about the line joining of the 2 points. When the line joining is asking, it is required to put some p x comma y be a point on the line joining AB. So I am considering p in the middle, x comma y, then a will become x1 y1, p will become x2 y2, b will become x3 y3. Then 3 points are on the same line, a, P, B are on the same line, then A, P, B are going to be collinear. Then area of triangle APB is equals to 0. So when area of triangle, when the collinear points are taken, then area of triangle is going to be 0. Then applying in the same formula, half into x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1 is equals to 0. Now we're already known how to find out for the determinant. Sending this 2 here to right hand side, again it will become 0 only. Then along row 1, finding the determinant along row 1, 1 into y 1 minus 6 y minus 6 minus 2 into x into 1 x minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 1 into 6x minus 3y. 6x minus 3y is equals to 0. Now we're coming to the next one. Next step, y minus 6 minus 2x plus 6 plus 6x minus 3y is equals to 0. And next, plus 6 and minus 6 will be cancelled, will become cancelled. 6x minus 2x is going to be 4x. Next, minus 3y plus y is minus 2y is equals to 0. And by solving, y is equals to 2x. Y is equals to 2x is the equation of the line joining the points 1 comma 2 and 3 comma 6. So what are the remaining questions? Complete the remaining questions. Either we need to find out the area of the triangle, either we need to find out the equation of the line joining the 2 points.